Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Excel AI. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make Excel think logically. But we're going to do something different. Instead of memorizing complicated formulas, we're going to use artificial intelligence to help us create them. And then, we'll understand exactly what Excel is doing. Let's start with a real business problem. Imagine that you manage a sales team. Your company wants to give a bonus to employees who meet certain requirements. An employee must have sales of at least $10,000. Their customer rating must be at least 4. Their attendance must be at least 90%. And their employment status must be active. We have this information in our Excel table. Employee, sales, rating, attendance, and status. Now, instead of trying to remember a complicated Excel formula, let's ask AI. Here is our prompt. Create an Excel formula that returns bonus if sales are at least $10,000, rating is at least 4, attendance is at least 90%, and status is active. Otherwise, return no bonus. Let's send this prompt to AI. AI may generate a formula using if and. Now let's understand it. The if function means, if this condition is true, return one result. Otherwise, return another result. The and function means, all of these conditions must be true. So the logic is, sales must be at least 10,000. And rating must be at least 4. And attendance must be at least 90%. And status must be active. Only when all 4 conditions are true, the employee receives a bonus. Let's test John. John has sales of $12,500. His rating is 4.5. His attendance is 96%. And his status is active. All 4 conditions are true. So Excel returns bonus. Now let's look at Sarah. Sarah has a rating of 4.8. An attendance of 98%. But her sales are only $8,500. So one condition is false. And the result is no bonus. This is the important idea. And means, all conditions must be true. Now let's make the problem more interesting. Suppose our company has another rule. A customer receives priority service if the customer is a VIP. Or the customer's annual purchase is more than $50,000. Let's ask AI again. Create an Excel formula that returns priority if the customer is VIP or annual purchases are greater than $50,000. Otherwise, return standard. AI will probably use if and or means, at least one condition must be true. So if the customer is VIP, the result is priority. If the customer is not VIP, but purchases are greater than $50,000, the result is still priority. This is the difference between and or. And means, everything must be true. Or means, at least one condition must be true. Now let's look at not. Suppose we have an invoice status. And we want Excel to identify invoices that are not paid. Instead of writing a complicated formula, we can ask AI. Create an Excel formula that returns follow-up when the invoice status is not paid, otherwise return complete. AI can use the not function. Not means reverse the logical result. If the status is paid, not paid becomes false. If the status is pending, not paid becomes true. Now here's an important professional tip. You don't need to memorize every formula. You need to understand the logic. You can tell AI exactly what you want. Then ask AI to explain the formula. For example, explain this Excel formula step by step and rewrite it in a beginner-friendly way. This is a much better way to learn. Because AI becomes your formula assistant, while you remain the person who understands the business logic. Now let's create an advanced challenge. Ask AI this question. Create an Excel formula that returns premium bonus when an employee is active, sales are at least $15,000, rating is at least 4, and attendance is at least 90%. Otherwise, return standard bonus. Don't immediately copy the answer. First, read the logic. Identify the conditions. Then ask AI to explain each part. Finally, build the formula in Excel. Change the values in the table. And watch how the result changes. This is the real goal of this lesson. Not memorizing formulas, but learning how to translate a business rule into Excel logic. And using AI to help you build the formula. In the next lesson, we'll take this idea further and learn how to handle multiple results using nested if and IFS. See you in the next lesson.